Welcome back, everyone. Are you looking for fun, healthy, and free activities to keep your kids entertained during the April holidays? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you 20 awesome, no-cost activities that will help your kids stay active, happy, and engaged without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking for creative crafts, exciting outdoor adventures, or simple family fun, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started. On number 1 is Nature Hike Adventure. Start your holiday by exploring the great outdoors with a nature hike. Take a stroll through your local park or nearby trail. It's a fantastic way to get some fresh air, explore nature, and teach kids about the environment, all for free. Number 2 is Backyard Obstacle Course. Next, set up a backyard obstacle course. Get creative with things like cones, ropes, and cardboard boxes. This activity will help your kids develop coordination, balance, and have loads of fun. Number 3 is DIY craft projects. How about some DIY crafts? All you need are some basic supplies like paper, scissors, and markers. Let the kids make cards, decorations, or even little art projects. Crafting helps boost creativity and fine motor skills. Number 4 is Healthy Baking with Kids. Get in the kitchen and bake together. Healthy snacks, like fruit muffins, homemade granola bars, or energy balls, are easy to make and perfect for kids to help with. Plus, they'll learn about nutrition while having fun. Number 5 is Gardening Together. Create a mini garden at home. Gardening is a fun and educational way to teach your kids about responsibility. Whether it's flowers, herbs, or veggies, watching plants grow gives them a sense of accomplishment. Number 6 is Scavenger Hunt Adventure. Set up an exciting scavenger hunt. List things for the kids to find in your backyard or nearby park, like specific leaves, rocks, or even certain colors in nature. It's an engaging activity that keeps them active and curious. Number 7 is Family Cycling Day. Take a family ride around your neighborhood or local bike trails. Cycling is a fantastic way to enjoy the outdoors, stay fit, and explore new places together. Number 8 is Outdoor Yoga or Stretching. Start the day with some outdoor yoga or stretching. It's a calming and relaxing way to promote flexibility and mindfulness. Plus, kids will love practicing fun yoga poses in the fresh air. Number 9 is a reading challenge for kids. How about a reading challenge? Let the kids pick their favorite books and challenge them to read as many as they can during the holidays. It's a great way to boost literacy and foster a love for reading. Number 10 is Volunteer as a Family. Teach your kids the value of kindness by volunteering together. Whether it's cleaning up a local park or helping at a community food bank, giving back is a fulfilling and important experience for the whole family. Number 11 is Outdoor Nature Photography. Let your kids capture the beauty of the outdoors with nature photography. They can use a camera or phone to snap photos of flowers, wildlife, or clouds. This creative activity fosters observation skills and artistic expression. Number 12 is Shadow Play Fun. Make the most of sunny days with some shadow play. Have the kids use their hands or objects to create fun shapes and figures. This simple activity encourages creativity and imagination. Number 13 is DIY Mini Olympics. Organize a mini Olympics in your backyard. Set up activities like running races, long jumps, or a 3-legged race. It's a fun way to challenge your kids and stay active together. Number 14 is Storytelling Circle. Create a storytelling circle with your kids. Take turns adding a sentence to build a fun and imaginative group story. It encourages creativity and teamwork. Number 15 is Rock Painting and Hiding. Paint some rocks with positive messages or colorful designs, and then hide them in local parks or along walking paths. It's a wonderful way to spread joy and kindness in your community. Number 16 is DIY Talent Show. Host a DIY talent show at home. Let the kids showcase their talents, singing, dancing, telling jokes, or even doing magic tricks. It's a great confidence booster. Number 17 is bike or scooter exploration. Hop on a bike or scooter and take a fun ride around your neighborhood. It's an exciting way to get active while exploring the local area. Number 18 is indoor camping adventure. Can't go camping? Set up a cozy indoor camp. Create a fort, tell stories, and enjoy a fun indoor picnic. Number 19 is paper airplane contest. See who can make the best paper airplane. Have a contest to see whose plane flies the farthest. It's a simple and entertaining activity that encourages problem solving and creativity. And last but not the least, on number 20 is scenic picnic. With a scenic picnic. Pack some healthy snacks and enjoy them outside in the park or your own backyard. It's a perfect way to relax and bond with the family. So, there you have it. 20 free, fun, and healthy activities to make this April holiday season unforgettable. Whether you're crafting, exploring, or volunteering, these activities will help your kids stay active, engaged, and happy. What other healthy and low-cost activities do you suggest? Write in the comments, please. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ideas to make the most of your family time. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.